Now, one of the things we've heard on CNN, a former Obama-Harris staffer, she is a black woman, and she said that these white Afrikaners should just go back to Germany or Holland.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
it's a bit ironic considering, I think it's a dangerous logical position she'd be taking, considering many white nationalists in the United States would tell her as a black woman to go back to Africa. What do you think about that argument that the Boers, just decolonize, go back home? Why can't they go to Germany or Holland?
Well, that just smacks of ethnic cleansing. This idea that the solution to this territory is to get rid of a certain section of society, just get out of here. And so the term genocide has been used a few times with regard to South Africa. I don't think that that's the appropriate term to describe what is happening. And we should be cautious of using a very particular legal terminology that could get you entangled in a legal debate about what is the application of the definition and so forth. But I do think that we should, without necessarily saying that what is happening in South Africa is ethnic cleansing, it certainly is a threat to ethnic cleansing. Genocide is just killing people and just murdering them in large numbers. Ethnic cleansing is a bit broader. It's killing people, but it's also targeting them through legislation. It's saying things like go back to Europe, go back to Holland, or go back to the Netherlands, even though we've been here for centuries. We've been in Africa since before the Enlightenment. And now suddenly the solution is just to cleanse the country of our existence or of our presence. It's a really, really dangerous thing to say.